Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today I am here to guide you on the heart of business planning. Together we will delve into the essential of business planning from its purpose and the components to the most effective strategies, common pitfalls and emerging trends. This guide will provide you with the foundation to understand the importance of well-structured business plan and how it can drive your business success. So whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, join me as we unlock the potential of strategic business planning.
1. The basics of business planning. Why is business planning so important? Simply put, a solid business plan acts as a roadmap, helping businesses to articulate their goals and the strategies they'll use to reach them. It's crucial for both new ventures and established businesses alike, offering guidance for operational decisions and aiding in financial management. 2. Key elements of a business plan. Now, a comprehensive business plan includes several key elements: an executive summary, business description, market analysis, organization and management structure, a description of your service or product line, your marketing and sales strategy, a funding request if you're seeking investors, and, of course, financial projections. 3. Starting the business planning process. Starting the business planning process might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Begin by clearly defining your business idea and objectives. Then research your target market, your competition, and any potential challenges you may face. From here, you can start outlining your strategies and building your financial projections. 4. Business planning, strategies for a competitive market. In today's competitive market, having a strategic business plan is essential for standing out. This includes identifying your unique selling proposition, what makes your business different and better than your competitors. It also involves positioning your business effectively within your market and crafting compelling marketing and sales strategies. 5. Utilizing technology in business planning. 205. Modern business planning isn't complete without the use of technology. There's an array of digital tools and software out there that can assist in business planning. From project management tools and productivity apps to financial forecasting software, technology can streamline the business planning process and increase efficiency. 6. Common mistakes in business planning and how to avoid them. While business planning is a powerful tool, there are common mistakes you need to avoid. These include failing to define clear objectives, not understanding your target market, ignoring competition, and being overly optimistic with financial projections. Be realistic, research thoroughly, and revisit your plan regularly to avoid these pitfalls. 7. Adapting your business planning in uncertain times. Adapting your business planning in uncertain times is also vital. Whether it's an economic downturn, a global pandemic, or a sudden market change, having a flexible business plan allows you to pivot quickly and effectively. 8. Business planning for growth, scaling your business successfully. And let's not forget business planning for growth. Scaling your business successfully requires careful planning. Set growth goals, plan for increased capacity, and create financial plans that consider potential growth. 9. Case studies, success stories in business planning. By learning from successful companies, you can apply proven strategies to your own business. Take Airbnb, for instance. Their business plan convinced investors of their idea's viability, despite initial skepticism. Then there's Slack, which pivoted from a gaming company to a leading collaboration tool, thanks to their flexible business planning. 10. The future of business planning, trends to watch out for. Looking to the future, business planning continues to evolve. Emerging trends include the increased use of artificial intelligence and machine learning, a greater focus on sustainability, and the rise of remote work environments. Digital platforms are becoming more prevalent, and there's a growing trend towards a more customer-centric approach. Agile business planning and an emphasis on data security and privacy are also shaping the future of business planning. These trends provide exciting opportunities for businesses ready to embrace change. By staying ahead of these trends, you can ensure your business planning is. So, that's it. A whistle-stop tour of business planning. Remember, your business plan is not just a document, it's your roadmap to success. From articulating your business idea and researching your market to crafting strategic plans and financial projections, each step of the business planning process plays a crucial role in your business's growth and success. Thank you for joining us on this journey through business planning. We hope you found this overview helpful, and we encourage you to delve deeper into each aspect of business planning to fully leverage its benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.